Hey everyone! Since February is the month of love, let's make a classic Kenduri kahwin dish. Vegan Nasi Minyak and Ayam Ros. Let's make the Nasi Minyak first. It's super easy. Into a pot, let's add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of vegan margarine. Next, let's go in with a cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 4 cardamoms and 4 cloves. Let the oil heat the spices, then we can fry our onions. These are 4 red onions sliced. Then pop in a pandan leaf, a bruised lemongrass and 4 slices of ginger. Lastly, add 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Let everything caramelize, then we can pour in 2 cups of rinsed basmati rice. You can also use regular rice if you prefer. Stir the rice through to coat it in a fragrant oil. Now we can transfer the rice to a rice cooker pot. Try to aim for the pot, not the counter like I did. Sprinkle in about 2 to 3 teaspoons of mushroom seasoning and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we can pour in 3 cups of water and 1 cup of oat milk. Stir to make sure everything is well combined, then cook in a rice cooker. This is optional, but once the rice is done, drop a few blobs of yellow coloring and let it sit for a minute. Then stir everything through. Now we can move on to our vegan Ayam Ros. To make the vegan ayam or chicken part of this recipe, we're going to use these. These are monkey head mushrooms, or also known as lion's head mushrooms. They may look a bit strange, but these mushrooms have a very tender texture similar to meat. To rehydrate these mushrooms, we need to soak them for a few hours or overnight. This will soften all the fibers in the mushrooms to give a better texture. They expand quite a bit once soaked, so make sure there's enough room in the container for them to grow. This is a fully soaked one and this is a dried one. Look at the difference. Now watch what happens when we tear it apart. Doesn't it just pull like meat or chicken? Before we cook with them, we're going to squeeze all of the water out of these mushrooms. The liquid will come out yellow or brown. Put them back into a bowl of clean water to absorb the liquid again. This is not sped up. Look how fast they expand. Now squeeze the water out. We want to do this quite a few times until the water runs clear. Next, we're going to tear the mushrooms into smaller chickeny pieces. These will expand again once all the sauce gets absorbed in. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder all over the mushroom pieces. Stir and set aside for a few minutes. Now let's prepare our paste. We need 5 red onions, 5 cloves of garlic, an inch of galangal and ginger. Blend with enough water to make a paste. While we cook, let's pour hot water over 50 grams of raw cashews and set aside to soak. And now we can start. Wait for your pot to heat up, then pour in some oil. Add the mushrooms in and fry. You can also deep fry these mushrooms if you prefer. Now we need the same spices we put in our rice. A cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 4 cardamom pods and 4 cloves. Add that to our mushrooms. We're also going to need 2 knotted pandan leaves and 2 stalks of bruised lemongrass. Next, we can go in with our blended onion mix. Stir and cook for a few minutes. I should have used a bigger pot or wok, this is a bit too small. To make it a little bit spicy, we need 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili bow or dried chili paste. Chili bow is usually pre-cooked already, so we don't have to cook it for so long. Season with 2 teaspoons of mushroom seasoning and salt to taste. Then add 2 cups of water. Stir everything through, then toss in sliced yellow onions. This is 1 onion. Next, pour in 1 cup of tinned tomatoes. This is about half a tin. Add 2 tablespoons each of chili sauce and tomato ketchup. If the sauce is a bit dry, feel free to add more water. Cover with the lid and let all the flavors get to know each other and simmer for 20 minutes. If you're enjoying this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. While waiting, blend the cashews in water until smooth like this. After 20 minutes, pour in 100 ml of coconut cream and the smooth cashew paste. Cook for another 5 to 8 minutes, then we're ready to plate. Serve with a side of acar timun and a sprinkling of crispy fried onions and coriander leaves. For more rice recipes, watch these videos next and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.